Need a quick and easy fix? Meet the Super Metal Glue. Strong, fast, and super reliable. Works on metal, glass, wood or plastic, ceramic, and more. Dries in just 1 hour, heat resistant and waterproof. Perfect for home, car, and even boat repairs. Subscribe for more viral finds and genius hacks every day. Super Metal Glue is a must-have in every toolbox. It replaces multiple types of glue and delivers long-lasting repairs in minutes. Perfect for anyone who values practicality and doesn't want to waste time with weak fixes. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Another viral product that makes life easier. Like, comment, and share. More awesome finds coming soon.